Hello, I am Elchin and I am 19 years old. Currently, I am a third-year business administration student at the University of Economics. I am eager to participate in the summer work and travel program because I want to experience a new culture, improve my English, and also visit some famous places like Times Square and Hollywood that I have only seen on screen. Till this day, I had quite an experience working in customer service. For example, I have worked as a waiter in Mado restaurant, where I welcomed guests, took their orders, and also make sure that they had a pleasant dining experience. Then I had a great opportunity to work as a housekeeper in the Hilton Baku Hotel, where I maintained guest rooms to high standards, ensured cleanliness, and followed all hygiene procedures. This experience has taught me how to communicate with customers and also helped me grow both professionally and personally. Besides my work experience, I am a very responsible and positive person who enjoys meeting new people. In my free time, I like playing football, going to the gym, and I especially love playing volleyball. Almost every weekend, my friends and I play volleyball in the dormitory where I live. Finally, I am fully ready to work and take on any responsibilities next summer. If you have any questions, you can contact me by my email. Thank you for watching my video and I hope to see you in the United States.